Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news. So let's get started. So the first update that we have is from Realme. Realme is expected to launch a new smartphone in the Realme Q series on October 13. The Realme smartphone will be a 5G handset with OLED display, under-display fingerprint scanner and 65-watt fast charging support. The Realme UI 2.0 will be running on the handset out of the box. The phone is expected with 48-megapixel quad rear setup and a 16-megapixel front camera. Let us see when officially Realme announces the device and at what price. So the next update that we have is from Xiaomi. Xiaomi Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro are leaked online and some specifications are tipped. Mi 10T will have IPS LCD panel and 144Hz refresh rate. The phone will be powered with Snapdragon 865 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone will have 5000 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging support, whereas Mi 10T Pro will also have the same specifications, but there will be a difference in the camera lens. Mi 10T Pro will feature 108-megapixel main camera at the rear, whereas Mi 10T is about to feature 64-megapixel main sensor. Xiaomi is about to unveil Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro on September 30. At number 3, we have news about Google Meet. Google Meet has announced that after September 30, free version of the Meet will be limited to the meetings no longer than 60 minutes. Under the extension, anyone with a Google account could create free meetings of up to 100 people and with no time limit. September 30 deadline is also applicable to other features. Features include access to advanced features for G Suite and G Suite for Education customers, including meetings of up to 250 participants, live streams of up to 100,000 people with a single domain, and save the recording of the meetings to the Google Drive. Listing further, we have news about Jio. Jio users are taking to the internet with complaints about Twitch being blocked by the telecom operator. Both Reliance Jio and JioFiber subscriber are reporting this issue. Users report that this arbitrary blockage began around the same time as IPL 2020 kicked off. Few Hathway Fiber subscribers are also reporting the same issue. Disney Plus Hotstar owns exclusive streaming rights for IPL 2020. Well, how many of you watched Twitch live streaming? Comment below. Moving forward, the fifth update that we have is about Redmi 9A. Redmi 9A will now be available in a new variant, which is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There aren't any changes to the specification except increment in RAM and storage. The new variant is announced to be launched in China and at 999 yuan, which is roughly equals to 10,900 rupees in India. There aren't any confirmation of international launch, but it might arrive in India. Next news that we have is from Oppo. Oppo has not yet unveiled Oppo Reno 4 Lite. However, the model is already available for purchase from Ukrainian retailer. The phone features 48-megapixel quad rear setup, 16-megapixel dual front camera setup, AMOLED display, powered with MediaTek Helio P95 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The phone is backed with 4015 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging support. As per the phone is available for purchase in Ukrainian market, the price of the phone is 11,999 hryvnia, which is equivalent to $425. Let's see when Oppo officially unveil the device and at what price. At number 7, we have news about Google Chromecast. The new Google Chromecast device from the Google will be launched on September 30. Ahead of the launch, features of the device have been leaked again in a video. The device will not have any Ethernet port, but it will be 4K HDR compatible. The interface will be branded as Google TV, but the video maker says that it seems to be based on Android 10. Apps listed included OTT services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar and YouTube TV among others. Let's see when official Google unveil the Google Chromecast device and at what price. Next update that we have is about a robotic vacuum cleaner. Trifo Max robot vacuum cleaner with home security camera feature is now launched in India. The vacuum cleaner have a 5200 mAh battery and offers up to 3000 Pascal of suction power. It also features Wi-Fi for app-based functionality. The robot can run for up to 120 minutes per charge and interestingly features USB port that lets another devices to connect it for charging as well. The robot is Alexa enabled and can be controlled through voice commands. Talking about the price, the Trifo Max robot is priced at 32,500 rupees in India and will be up for purchase on Amazon and Flipkart starting on September 30. Well, write down your views in the comment section about this. So the last update that we have is again from Google. Google accidentally leaked Pixel 5 design and price ahead of 30 September event. The phone will be 5G enabled. The device was leaked in a video which stated that the device is up for pre-order now. The leaked price of the Google Pixel 5 is 74,800 yen, which is roughly equivalent to 52,000 rupees. Let us see when Google officially announced the device and at what price. However, Google Pixel 4a 5G and Google Pixel 5 are not arriving in India. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Your support is incredible, so please comment your views in the comment section and help us improve for further videos. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.